How to fix taskbar not working or showing on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If this is the problem that you have been facing, here are a few solutions to try upon. So to get started with, right click on the start button and go to Task Manager. Or you could just open it typing it in the search bar. Then after, search for Windows Explorer, right click on it and restart the service. This should probably fix the issue. However, if it does not, let's move on to the method 2. For that, go to Settings and then go to Troubleshoot. After that, tap on Other Troubleshooters and then search for Windows Store app and then tap on the Run button. This will detect on any problems that is related with the taskbar and try to solve it. However, if this also does not work, let's move on to the next method. For that, you again have to right click on the Start icon or menu and then go to Settings. Once the setting is opened, search for the taskbar settings from the search bar and open it. After that, you have to now click on Taskbar Behaviors. Under it, make sure to untick the option of Automatically Hide the taskbar. Next up, open Command Prompt and run it as administrator. Now, use the command sfc/scan now, which will detect for any of the problems that exist and then try to solve it. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.